Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials immediately. Power the phone off, find the tiny eject hole on the SIM tray, and prepare a straightened safety pin with a 1.52 cm tip. Hold the phone steady on a flat surface and position the pin perpendicular to the hole. This prevents bending the tray. Apply a single confident press, don't jab, until you feel the tray pop. Once released, use tweezers or fingers to pull the tray out gently. You're now ready for the next step. You continue by grasping the slightly ejected tray and pulling it straight out, making sure not to twist or wiggle. Twisting can bend the thin metal. Inspect the tray orientation so the SIM or nano SIM will go back the same way. Note the contact pads. If the tray feels stuck, stop and press the pin again to reseat it before pulling, because force can damage the mechanism. Place the tray on a soft cloth, remove or insert the SIM, and confirm alignment before reinserting. You finish by sliding the tray back and straight, aligning it exactly as before and pressing until it sits flush. You should hear a muted click. Make sure the SIM sits flat. If it moves, remove and reseat it. If the phone doesn't detect the card, remove the tray and gently clean the SIM contacts with a dry microfiber cloth. Reinsert and reboot. If the tray is bent, misaligned, or won't eject, stop. Continuing risks damage, and you should seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.